Yawning in itself is that kind of sort of tensing of all the muscles in your face and then relaxing them. So it might be why we yawn. We don't know why we yawn yet, but it might also it would be really great.
If he wasn't sleeping, he was yawning.
And it would be interesting to see what yawning does to the locus coeruleus. Does that also calm and switch the locus coeruleus activity? Because it's interesting that facial nerve, like trigeminal nerve, through the vagus connects indirectly to the locus coeruleus and has a powerful effect on that.